Okay guys, I hope you don't mind. I'm just gonna blur through this. So looking at this, you notice that this isn't a negative, so it automatically is going to open up. Your own's gonna be smiling. Why not? Okay, then our axis of symmetry, in order to find that, you need to use the negative b over 2a, and we'll do that later. I'm just gonna pass that first. Okay, then y-intercept is automatically this one. It's your last equation number, or your c. So y-intercept would be a 3. Then we can do our axis of symmetry. So our axis of symmetry, let's plug it in. Our b is a 2, so it will be negative 2 over 2a, so 2 times 1, since there's no number before a, or before x squared, so 2 times 1. Then it will equal negative 2 over 2, in other words, negative 1. Okay, so our axis of symmetry is already negative 1. Now to find a vertex. To find a vertex, your axis of symmetry is already your x, so negative 1. To find the y, you just plug it in to the whole equation. So negative 1 squared plus 2, negative 1 plus 3. Now you're just going to solve it out. So negative 1 squared is 1 plus, which is actually going to be a minus, my bad. So minus 2 times negative 1, so negative 2, and plus 3. Now you can just solve it out. I'm sure you can do that on your own. So 1 minus 2, negative 1 plus 3, in other words, 2. So your vertex would be negative 1, comma 2. Your y-intercept is 3. And then now to graph it. So to graph it, if we look up, it's going to be a V, so it's going to be a smiley face. And then our axis of symmetry is negative 1. So negative 1, find that. Then if we look at our vertex, it's 2. So negative 1, 1, 2, right here is our vertex. It's going to smile up, so remember. Their y-intercept is 3, so let's just count off 3. 1, 2, 3. And when you find the axis of symmetry, all you have to do is just reflect it. So this one is just going to be reflected across your axis of symmetry, so to the next number, which is negative 2, and then bring it up to 3. And then there, you pretty much have your parabola. Okay, got it. Goodbye.